Can I use a meat thermometer to determine the cook time for my turkey in a 325 convection oven?
In this video, we'll discuss if you can use a meat thermometer to determine the cook time for your turkey in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven. Let's dive in.
Q. Can I use a meat thermometer for my turkey?
A. Yes. Using a meat thermometer is an excellent way to ensure your turkey is cooked to the perfect internal temperature. This method helps you avoid overcooking or undercooking the turkey.
Q. How does a convection oven affect cooking time?
A. A convection oven circulates hot air around the food, which can reduce cooking time by up to 25%. Therefore, when using a convection oven, you may need to adjust the cooking time accordingly.
Q. What is the ideal internal temperature for a cooked turkey?
A. The USDA recommends cooking your turkey to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures that the turkey is fully cooked and safe to eat.
Q. How do I use a meat thermometer to monitor the turkey's internal temperature?
A. To use a meat thermometer, follow these steps. 1. Insert the probe of the thermometer into the thickest part of the turkey, avoiding bones. 2. Monitor the temperature as the turkey cooks. Check the temperature periodically, without opening the oven door too frequently. 3. Check multiple spots to ensure even cooking. The temperature should be consistent in both the breast and thigh areas. 4. Remove the turkey from the oven when the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit.
Q. How long does it typically take to cook a turkey in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven?
A. As a general guideline, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes per pound for a turkey in a convection oven. However, this can vary depending on factors such as the size of the turkey, oven temperature, and individual oven performance. In summary, using a meat thermometer is a great way to monitor the cook time for your turkey in a 325 degrees Fahrenheit convection oven. Remember to adjust cooking times for convection ovens and always check the internal temperature to ensure a perfectly cooked, juicy turkey. Happy cooking!